Yes, hello everybody. I am coming towards the end of my home automation or smart home installation. I'm just going to do a quick pass through each of the rooms and the devices, etc., to give a brief insight to see what's happening. As you can see, the roller blinds or Roman blinds have been fitted, and behind that there's also another set of blinds, and you can see that's a roller blind. So there's roller blinds and Roman blinds as well. So Lutron switches, and this is the remote control. And as you can see here, as I pick it up, this is giving you sort of a full house control. You see currently the TV is on, and it's showing the DVD server. Now with the DVD server, you can quite easily scroll through the different things that you might want to go for. So there's video, we select OK, movie library, alphabetical, we'll check. And as you can see, miraculously, the movie collections in the database, they show, oh look at that, you know what that movie is. And you've got a backdrop with that as well. So let's go to Battleship, no not Battleship, let's go to Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man. So we hit OK, it gives us a synopsis about the movie. Hit OK. Do you want to play, or play the trailer, or edit, or delete? Let's do play. We click play, and lo and behold, within a few brief moments, we should have the movie starting. Or should I say this particular movie, or should I say this is just a clip of the movie, not the movie itself, but you can store the movies on there as well. So as you can see here, and if you say, oh I don't fancy that, you fancy watching something else, you go down the remote control, you press the exit button, and you can choose something else, or you can search via actor, or director, or genre, or you can just go through HD movies only, or 3D as well. So as you can see here, alphabetical, which is my favourite, backdrop, go through, Man in Black, again synopsis. I won't stay too long on this. Now this is the same throughout all of the rooms, the bedrooms, the living rooms, the living quarters should I say, have got this system integrated in there, as you can see. So you've got all your movies stored on there as well. Let's come out of that. Let's just do exit, and then tell them my battery is low. And then what we do here now, we just go back and we say, okay then, well, what do we want? All your choices, selections on there. Let's say we're going to do Windows. I'll select Windows. Oh, roller close. Let's have a look. You've got the roller blinds coming down there, as you see. I can stop that, and I can have the Roman coming down. Ooh. Stop that as well. So that's pretty cool. And also on the remote control, when you go to the home page, you can choose something else. Let's say entertainment. Everything's broken down there. Let's say entertainment. Oh, what's that? Watch Sky. Okay, watch Sky. What happens there? Wow. Now there's two Sky boxes which are serving the whole house, apartment should I say. So we go back home again and we say watch the other box. So that's the secondary Sky box. That's something else there. And of course you can type in the numbers to select what channel if you know the numbers. Or watch DVD as you know, or just watch the TV itself. Let's say we've finished in here. We can either turn everything off, but I won't be doing that right now. I'll let you know the reason for that. So we will, of course, importantly, you can do the lights as well. So we do home, we can do lighting. From lighting, we select the scenes. How's that scene there? Oh, I don't know if you can tell that so well here. The change is very gradual. Of course, you can speed up the change, or we can turn the lights off in there as well if you wanted to with the equipment. There you go. You go into bed, everything's off. But then, let's say, for example, at a press of the button, you want to say lounge music. Listen to the music that's in the lounge in here. Or let's go back to entertainment anyway, and we'll turn everything back on. One touch, as you see there, everything's there. It's back on. Go back to home, and this is all your devices on there. And then we can say, okay, let's do lights, and we press scene 1, and the lights are back on. Okay, now if you notice, I've left everything on inside here. So we're leaving the TV on, the DVD on, the lights on, all that's been left on. As you see, we've got the keypad here. From this keypad you select which room, because it's the master bedroom. You can control the lounge, the dining room, the kitchen, go through. You can link rooms as well. So if I press that link, I can select, if you can see here properly, I can select which rooms I want to link for audio. You're having a party or something like that, quite easily select link, and you can have a party of music playing throughout every single room of the apartment. Okay, let's go back. But your main page gives you your sources for this room. So here we have entertainment, which should be like a TV, video, DVD. We've got the music, lounge music, lighting, blinds. So on here we press the blinds and we can do close. As you see, that's moving there. Open, raising up now. Stop, and let's do the roller blinds. Roller blinds going down, up, and stop. Okay, that's the master bedroom. This room here, we know what this is here. Lighting, etc. has been done. Bathroom TV, fancy bath, bidet, etc. Shower. You've seen these before. It's all done. Now you've got the mirror on the left hand side. That's the exit. Lutron installed. And a nice shiny, if you can tell, shiny. The doors are so shiny, it looks almost like a mirror. Okay, then this is pretty much ditto in bedroom 2. Bedroom 2, TV, again, similar remote control. As you see, window, we can do the blinds, roller blinds. See them there coming down. Stop, or Roman blinds. They're coming down. Stop.
Whatever town or city you're in, so I think
you're going back up.
You're in Olympic boxing.
Okay, remember all the lights, TV's left on. We're going through this one here. It's quite an interesting TV here with the white surround. Interesting, set in the glass. Then we go down the corridor. Again, you see highly polished, lacquered finish here. Then in this room here, oh yes, of course, again, similar thing. Here, you've got the keypad, again, ditto. You can do your controls, select your sources, etc. Right next to that, you've got the Lutron lighting control panel, which allows you to change the scenes. Lighting scenes for different areas of the room here. This is off, so this turns that off. Press this button here, and it's all back on. And then here, again, there's the TV here. Ensuite, TV there, toilet, shower, etc. If I go back, you notice the TV here is off, but all I have to do is do entertainment, sky, and if I turn around, the TV automatically will be powering up. And hey, independent library here as well to watch some other different movies and so forth. As you can see, you can search video, pictures, even search the weather. At the top here is the server client for your DVDs, 3D. Close it up there. Again, you see the TV's on in the bathroom. Now we go into the kitchen. And the kitchen, you see we've got these fancy sliding doors to close off the kitchen area. So stop the food smells from passing through to other parts of the house. We've got a very interesting extractor. Now this is the cooking hob surface, and here we have the extractor, and here is on, and as you can see the extractor raises up, and when you start your cooking you don't have an overhead extractor at all, no overhead extractor, that's the extractor. I don't know if you can hear, as that's on, just above the window over there on the outside is where all of the cooking fumes gets sucked out to the outside, and when I put my fingers here I can actually feel it actually sucking out gently. As you press that, it increases, if you can hear the sound, it increases and sucks even harder. Oh, let's hear that. So if you're cooking something very smoky or whatever, be sure to get sucked out through from there. and up just above the window there. So we turn that off. As you can see, it goes down. There you go. Then, as you see here, kitchen, TV. So you can watch TV. It's a smart TV, so you can do the recipes and that sort of stuff there. You've got obviously, again, the keypad there, Lutron panel there, Gaggenau kitchen units there, German. And we come into the dining area. Oh yeah, in the kitchen you've got motorised curtains, motorised blinds. Come into the dining area. Again, didn't show you, you've got ceiling speakers and all over the house here. That's where the AV cabinet is, where everything's inside. I'll show you that afterwards. That's the cabinet that I've been doing a lot of work inside. The apartment's not completely finished, but it's looking certainly far better than it did looking previously. There you go. So the TV's there. You've got a subwoofer in that cabinet there. There you go, 55-inch Samsung. Great picture. Remote control there, as you see. And I don't know if you can see very well. Now maybe if I turn the lights off, so I'll pick up this remote control, and then what I want to do, control the lights, and maybe you can see it outside much better. So let's go to scene 1. So maybe you can see what's happening outside there at the night time. Let's turn this back on. Put the remote control back in the stand. So we think here. So in the corridor here, it's pretty fancy there. So now we are going to look into the cabinet. Let's open the cabinet up. Right, there you go. That's everything. So that's all the relays for the blinds. We've got the home cinema amplifier, the DVD server client, docking station for the iPod, HDMI distribution, 2 skyboxes, one which is shared throughout the house, and the lounge, one dedicated, which both can be viewed in any of the rooms, any sort of combination. Then here we have the streaming devices. These devices stream the music from internet radio or from the network around the house. There's one for each of the rooms. Then we have the digital network amplifiers here, which are 8 zones each one. Then we have at the bottom here the music and DVD storage devices, network storage devices. And that is that, basically. Right, and this is kind of what they call a snug area. Again, there's a keypad here, which is for the music. So from any keypad, you can select any room, any source at any time, at any volume level. And as you can see, we've got the Lutron. Now, which is for the lighting, should I add. Now, let's say, for example, you are going to leave the house or the apartment. You can't be bothered to go all the way down to turn the TVs off, etc., etc. Well, no problem. You have a last man out button. So you go to the page here, you press the power. If you single press, it turns off the area that you're on. Now, we don't want to do that, do we? I want it to be on because I want to show you something. That's the power, so I'm going to turn everything on. TV will come back on again. I don't know if you can see, it's pretty dark in here, but TV's back on. And what you can do, of course, is